Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let me show you the evidence that the reset option will actually work. So let's open the camera and now let me enable the grid lines. So let me find them and let's activate them. Let's get back. As you can see, the grid lines are immediately applied to our camera. So now I can show you how to reset all the settings. So let's tap on this settings icon in the left upper corner. And now we have to scroll down to very bottom. As you can see here, we've got reset settings option. So let's tap on it. And now your device is telling you that the camera settings will be reset. So let's tap on reset. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and here we've got the very first option which opens when we are activating the camera app for the very first time. What's more, the grid lines simply disappeared, so it means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually, that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.